Meaning of Frederick Douglass.
Frederick Douglass.
Frederick Douglass.
Frederick Douglass.
Frederick Douglass. Frederick Douglass was an American social reformer, abolitionist, orator, writer, and statesman. Born into slavery in Maryland, he escaped to freedom in 1838 and went on to become a leading advocate for the abolition of slavery and for women's rights. He delivered powerful speeches and wrote influential works such as his autobiography, Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass, an American Slave. Douglass also held several government positions, including serving as the U.S. Minister resident to Haiti. He died in 1895, leaving behind a legacy as one of the most prominent figures in the anti-slavery movement.